So we're going to take you into the suburbs of Liverpool and show you some of the places made famous by the Beatles and other bands from the 1960s, including some of the birthplaces, the schools, the homes, maybe a bar or two if we get the chance, you never know. Just before we get going, I'm going to tell you about these. We've now produced an official guide and companion to the Magical Mystery Tour. Basically, everywhere we go today on the tour is featured in here, with a little write-up about each and every place. We've also included a number of other places in the city centre that we can't get you to on the bus, and the pedestrianised areas. So there's now over 90 Beatles sites featured in here. I'll say a little write-up for each and every one. We've also included a map of the city centre and numbered all the Beatle-related places on the map. Now, if you do a walking tour of that area, it would take you just on 4 hours. Absolutely tons to see in the city. Also a map of the area head now to the South Liverpool area, from Sefton Park right out to Walton Village, Penny Lane, Strawberry Field, all the houses, it's all on there. Also a big history of the Cavern Club, a review on Paul's gig back at the Cavern, December 14th, 1999, and a selection of photos, some of the famous people who've popped down in recent years, likes of Travis, Paul McCartney.